Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Honda Jazz ES Plus. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, returning up to 51 miles per gallon, an insurance group of 19, and this has a very low mileage of just over 10,000 miles, and the car will have had its 7th service before the new customer drives away. This particular colour is called Azure Blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, on the Jazz, these are really practical cars, so you've got the nice wide door opening there, lots of headroom and legroom for all passengers all round. You've got these really supportive hard-wearing seats with an armrest there in the centre for the driver. A few other features worth mentioning: you've got your CD player there in the centre with your climate control, and this car also has cruise control there on the steering wheel, and also the folding door mirrors and the 4 electric window switches. As you open the rear doors, again, good access into the back, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, really practical, lots of legroom. And I see the rear bench has got 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have pockets in the back of the front seats. And I see the car's still got the original Honda carpet floor mats as well. And as I open the tailgate, you have the nice square boot there, nice level loading as well, so easy to carry things in and out of the boot. And you'll also have the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have this flap that has a little net there for storage. And as you can see, you've then got the space saver spare wheel underneath as well. Externally, the car comes with the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also the car comes with rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.